Hey, it's Connor here with OuterFactor. We are going to do some drop testing today of my personal phone. This is one of our earliest prototypes of the Element case. It's on my personal phone, and I keep dropping it a lot just to see how it holds up. So follow me around. We'll drop it some more. We'll start right now. So we'll drop it in Ash's office. Here. It's good. We're still good. This phone still looks good. Solid corner hit there. Screen's still good.
Good.
So, here you go. It's my personal phone. Everything looks great.